Hi guys, Mailing Boss 5.0 is much easier and simpler than the original Mailing Boss. I'm going to show you quickly how to use it and where it is. We go in Apps, Mailing Boss 5. Then it will look like this. Okay, so now we're going to create a list. So a list is where all the email addresses live. That's the easiest way. And a sequence is how, whichever emails you decide, it's usually 3 to 5 to 7 emails in a sequence, and it goes out automatically every day. So we're going to call this list Magnetic 2. We're going to leave it double opt-in because I want to show you how it works. And I'm going to put it Magnetic 2. If you want an instant message with phone, that's more advanced. We're just going to do the basic one today. So then it looks like this. We're just going to ask for the email. So that is required. If you wanted the first name first, you would put required on, and then it will come in the email form. But for the purpose of this example, we only need the email. So this is where the subscribers go. You can segment the list into whatever you want. And if you want notifications, every time you get a lead, you can put your email address in there. Right, next one is sequence. So you go into campaigns, email sequence, and we're going to make a new one. We're going to call it Magnetic 2. Magnetic 2. And we're going to call it Magnetic 2. Okay. So to edit, right, you just click edit. Now, what you need to do is, let's just save this. And we need to put the sender email. So I'm going to put that one. And I like to put my own email there, and we need the title and the actual email of this one. So you copy the body over into Mailing Boss. So you just highlight it, Control-A, and then delete. Then you Control-A and Control-C, Control-B. Okay, so the subject is required. So what we're going to do is we're not going to do that one. This is the one we want. So 300 free leads a day do what? There we go. Now, if you want to put a link in, you go over to Warrior Plus. You log in. And you find your offer. We want magnetic. Search. It's here, look, Magnetic Freedom Life 2. So basically all you need to do is request the link, or you actually get the link from there. If you want one, I've already got permission for, so it actually I can show you what it looks like. You get the link. There it is. So you copy that one and you will put it inside this here. Link, paste, boom, done. Make sure that your name's at the bottom. Then save it. In email terms, day 0 is day 1. So as soon as you sent it, it's day 0 or minute 0. If you want to test it, send yourself a test. And I am gmail.com. And as you will see, if we hop over to here, let's have a look. That's the right one, yes. This is what it looks like, and it's gone straight to the inbox. Don't you think that's excellent news? So what you need to do is you'll check your links, check your name, boom. So how do I add one? So you save and activate. If it's not activated, it will not send. So if you want another campaign, this is easy. You do another campaign, save it, put your email in. I'm just going to do 3, so you'll get reply to. So this is why this is what I made earlier. This is why I've got some to show you. So I'm now going to copy that bit. Because before the subject wasn't on the same page, so it took slightly longer. So you delete that and copy this. So you can put signed. I don't like signed. I just like to put my name, for example. So make sure that the spelling's right, the spacing's right. Don't forget, check it out here. I'll show you once more. You have to scroll down a little bit more. Yeah. Scroll up here. And so check it out here. Put the link in. There you go. And then delete that. Right. Check it out here. To your success. Then save, and then this will be day 1, which is really the second day of your campaign. A bit confusing, but anyway, that's how it works. You can send yourself an email test, but you don't really need to. And then if you want to do another one and another one and another one, you can. So that's how you actually set up a sequence inside Mailing Boss. So now we've got the sequence done. Again, add another campaign. It comes here. You will edit it, add the link in, and that will be day 0. There it says there. Day 1. If it says pause, it means it's activated. If you press pause, it means you're pausing it. Okay, so that's done. I won't do the 3rd one. So if you want to join my Builderall team, click the link below. I'll be happy to have you. or if you want any more information, hit me up on Facebook and I'll show you the insides of all these wonderful tools. That's like Christmas every day, and it's really exciting to learn. Okay, guys, see you on the next video. Bye.